Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting a reliable baseline. Put the AirPods Pro in your ears and connect to your iPhone. Once connected, make sure iOS and AirPods firmware are up to date so features behave predictably. You also run the ear tip fit test now to confirm a proper seal, because without a good fit, noise cancellation and bass will lie. After that, open Bluetooth, tap the info icon to confirm ANC and transparency controls are active, then move on. Now you control tone and spatial cues. Open Settings, Music EQ, and Audition presets like Bass Booster or Vocal Booster. Pick one as a starting point. Then go to Accessibility Audio/Visual Headphone Accommodations and run the custom audio setup to emphasize speech or highs. Make sure Spatial Audio and Adaptive EQ are enabled in Control Center or Bluetooth info so the AirPods adapt. Once done, play a few familiar tracks and note differences before fine-tuning. Finish by testing and locking in preferences. Play a variety of tracks at low, medium, and high volume to ensure clarity and dynamic balance. Make incremental tweaks to EQ and headphone accommodations until vocals and bass sit right, then keep those settings. If something goes wrong, for example, distortion or missing features, forget the AirPods on your device. Hold the case button until the LED flashes white and repair. Also confirm firmware and battery levels before repeating tests.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.